Welcome to Healthy Junction, guys. As you see, the title is high protein butter chicken using no oil, no butter, nothing. Yes, drumsticks. That's how you're gonna make chef cuts. 3 always. There's 4 things in the butter chicken. The smoky aroma, sweet and tangy flavor, creamy and velvety texture. Since I said it's high protein, I'm not going to use the regular yogurt. So Greek yogurt to make your dish flavorful. Ginger garlic paste. 2 spoons are enough for me. You want more stronger, you can go for. It's one of the best ingredients. It's healthy, it's natural. Second, lemon juice. Fresh lemons is always better. Since I'm traveling, so I'm using the squeeze. Dash of lemon juice. And I mentioned this. So I go with my hands, which I love it because I know how much salt I want it. You can use your spoons measurement, but I prefer always with my hand. No hanky panky stuff. Just a simple curry powder, easy available in the market. This is enough. That's it. The marination is ready. Boiled tomatoes, raisins, and cashews. And here's the magic of high protein. Chickpeas or boiled chana or garbanzo beans. Guys, so this chicken, as you see, is 70% ready. The rest we're gonna cook with the sauce. That's how you get barbecue butter chicken. I'm gonna show you how to make a sauce. Look at the texture. Alright guys, so I'm using little bit olive oil, which you can see, and the reason of olive oil I'm using just to cook my ginger garlic paste. There you go guys, boiled tomatoes, raisins and cashews. Look at the color. That's what you get when you put cashews, raisins and tomato together. We're gonna cook this for 5 minutes. Alright guys, as you see, our cashews and tomatoes are heating up. It's time to add our 25 gram of protein. I don't know why I'm using percent all the time, but this is the key, which actually helped me to build my body muscles. Our sauce is ready to get the chicken in. I'm gonna use half of my chicken in here, as I guess I mentioned that I'm going to make barbecue biryani after this. So we need to add a little bit water, just a little bit. It's gonna come back to its texture flavors, just to cook the chicken. Since I'm not using the stove, so if I'm not wrong, it's gonna be ready in 10 minutes maximum. Because chicken is almost done 70%. Sauce which we're using, all the ingredients were boiled and cooked. All we need is all the flavors combined together. 10 minutes is enough. Alright guys, there you go. Oh my god, look at that shiny, velvety texture, high protein butter chicken is ready, guys. There you go guys, ready.